Then go to the browser and simply search for Android Studio. Now we have to download and install the Android Studio. Click on download Android Studio. If you scroll here, you have to read all this and then agree. I read and agree. So download Android Studio. So it is now downloading the Android Studio. So Android Studio has been downloaded successfully. Let's go to the downloads folder. Now we have to install the Android Studio. So double click on Android Studio, downloaded file. Now click next, then click next, next install. Click next, click finish. Click OK. Make sure that this option is selected. Do not import setting. Click OK. Don't send. Click next. Then click this standard version and click next. Here you have to choose the theme for your Android Studio. So we will go with this dark theme. Click next. Then click next. Make sure to click on accept in order to accept the license. Okay, so first we select this one, we accept, then select this one and accept, then select this one and accept. Okay, for all these three, that is Android SDK license accepted, Android SDK preview license accepted, and Android extra license, Intel Android extra license accepted. Then click finish. Then you can simply click on finish. So Android Studio has been installed successfully. Click on more actions and click on SDK manager and it will open up this pop-up. Make sure that Android SDK is selected, then click on SDK tools, and when you come here to the SDK tools you will see this Android SDK command line tools. So just check this. When you check this, then click apply and then click OK. It is going to install the Android command line tools. So you have to wait for it. It will take some 1 or 2 minutes. Click finish, click OK.